Last time, we created a trial account in SAP Cloud Platform, but there is a catch. Trial account in Neo environment and Cloud Foundry environment differs in terms of services granted for free use. Let's see what you can do in Neo environment using trial account. You can use Neo trial account for an unlimited period of time. You don't need to renew it. You cannot create any further sub accounts in your trial account. To create additional sub accounts in the Neo environment, you must purchase an enterprise account. You cannot add additional members in your trial account. Only one user is allowed per trial account. Neo trial account is available only in the Europe ROT region. There is 1 GB of memory for applications available for you. You can use 1 gigabyte of database storage. You can connect two configured on-premise systems with the Cloud Connector. The Cloud Connector is only supported for Java and HTML5 application.